Hey guys, Phoenix 21 Studios here. Got the in-cabin air filter on a WK2 2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Thought I'd show you how this fits. I had to reference some material to figure out which way the arrow is supposed to point, so it does point down. I believe that's correct, 99% sure. That's what the other videos had. So when you install this, you're going to put it in with the arrow pointing down. That's the way the air flows on it. This piece right here that locks it in, it's got hinges on one side and it's got a clip on the other. It's really easy to take out and put in. First you just line up your hinges on one side and then it's just going to snap into place. Taking it off is the reverse process. You just put some pressure on that tab and it opens. The glove box door itself is not really attached. It just fits with these style hinges here. There's a little cable on the side, and it's got quite a bit of tension on it. Feels like you might be pulling too hard, but you really do have to pull hard to get the tension on this to match the distance. It just pops into place. Don't be afraid to pull hard on it. You're not going to break it. Taking it off, you just pull pressure on it, unclip it. It's really easy to do. You've also got these pegs on the side. You're going to put pressure on each side and just push the glove box up. Just the reverse process to take it out. Put pressure on each side and pull it down. That's all there is to it. This is the filter that I decided to buy. It's the EcoGuard that's priced really well on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description for you. Thanks for watching.